on how to live your life, how to live your life. Don't you know that life is full of surprises? You better realize, better realize. Nobody knows what's in your soul and how your heart works. Nobody knows, nobody cares. It's time for you to live your life, yeah.
What's up guys? Nandito kami ngayon sa parang park nila and sobrang daming tao na nandito ngayon. Actually, parang may event sila dito. Hindi namin alam kung ano yung event nila, pero I think para daw sa mga bata. Sobrang lamig dito, I swear. Ayun, hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta ngayon.
Lakad-lakad lang.
Lakad-lakad lang. Enjoy lang muna yung lamig. 18 ba?
18 degrees.
18 pala.
Just check my...
Pero hindi, iba kasi pag sa labas yung 18 mo eh. Ako kasi kaya ko yung 18
sa aircon eh. Oh.
Sa aircon eh. So, dito to, iba talaga, masakit na sa kamay. Lalo na siguro pag naka-shirt ka lang. So yeah, ikot-ikot lang muna eh. Enjoy lang muna namin yung view. So, ang dami dito pwede laruin. So, sana matry namin lahat para mas maganda. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
You can do it right now. Oh, you can do it right now.
Okay. I'm gonna go first.
You need these balls. Here is the balloons. For balloons.
Four balloons? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
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 One like it. Yeah, yeah.
Fudgy bar!
You lose, but.
Oh, thank you! Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Focus, 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 focus! Yeah!
Dude, come on, come on.
Last one.
Come on, come on! Yeah! Dobby! Yeah, bro! Congrats, bro! We would like to thank our sponsor for this gown. Balloon Boy. Hello! Thank you!
Thank you for these
What is this?
sick hats. This is fashion.
Yeah, fashion. Streetwear, bro. Streetwear.
You can do it right now, yeah. You can do it right now. You can do it right now. Now, right now,
This is Karak. It's tea with milk. It's traditional drink here in Qatar.
So that's it.
Now there's like cardamom or cinnamon. Yes, po.
You can do it right now. Oh, you can do it right now. You can do it right now. You can do it right now. Everybody gives you advice, yeah, on how to live your life, how to live your life. Don't you know that life is full of surprises? You better realize, better realize.
What's up guys? Kasama ko si Dog. Ayan, nandito kami ulit sa Doha pero parang basta kakaiba yung pangalan niya and nagdi-dinner kami doon sa side na yun. Kakain lang kami and tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga madadaanan namin. Sobrang chill dito, parang lang kami nagmamasyal. Bye guys! Bye!
Card na muna.
Wow! Okay. Hi guys!
Hello.
Hello! Good evening! Hello! Hi!
Nobody knows what's in your soul and how your
Feeling ko may kapangyarihan ako.
Flame of Reka.
Kilig! Kita nyo? Kilig! Ako lang may kapangyarihan ganun. Nakita nyo? Namatay!
Orange, apple, lemon, strawberry.
Thank you! Assalamualaikum.
You can do it right now. Oh, you can do it right now. You can do it right now. You can do it right now.
What's up? Hindi ko alam ang nararamdaman ko. Sobrang astig nito, guys. There you go. Wow. Pasensya na kayo, hindi ganun kalinaw yung dala kong camera na lowbat kasi, pero sobrang astig dito. V12 to. And hindi ko alam kung anong... Hindi ko alam kung ano yung nararamdaman ko, pero sobrang sarap. One day, I swear, bibili ako nito. One day. Ganda nito. Oh, OMG. Let's go. Wow. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo to, guys. So, hindi ko siya pwedeng hawakan. Baka makakuha ako ng gold dahil real gold yung ginamit dito. So, hindi ko siya pwedeng hawakan ng kamay. So, ito na lang yung gagawin ko.
You can do it right now.
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
Oh! Narinig niyo yun? Binuksan na. So, yung McLaren yun. And hindi ko alam kung matatry ko yun. Thank you, guys. Thank you.